Welcome to the wonderful world of Tonies. It's lovely to meet you. The box I'm standing on now is called a Toniebox, and it's a special stage for my friends and me to perform on. Together, we're a great new way to listen to your favourite audio wherever and whenever you like. At home, at a friend's house, even on holiday. Simply pop me on top, sit back and enjoy. When you've heard enough, just take me off. That big ear in front of me turns the volume up. And you guessed it, the little ear turns it down. Easy. The Toniebox is touch sensitive too. Tap it on the left or right side to skip back and forth between tracks. And this bit's really clever. To rewind or fast forward, just tilt the box. The Toniebox is so easy to use, even grown-ups can figure it out.